Hi friends! Welcome back to my YouTube channel Coder the Big Bash. Today we are going to create a game which is called The Hungry Bird and the Pie. Let's click on run. I'm going to play the game and show you guys. So when we touch the pie, our score increases, but when we touch the fireball, our score decreases. So let's open a new tab. Let's reset and open a new tab. Code.org. So before you guys do any project, you guys need to sign in. So let's scroll down and we'll open PlayLab. So this is PlayLab. So this is the workspace where we can code, and these are the blocks. So the first one is actions, the second one is events, the third one is loops, the fourth one is maths, the fifth one is logic, the sixth one is functions, the seventh one is variables, the eighth one, which is the last one, is called the games or score. So first we'll drag set actor 2 and we'll create a variable which is called point. So next we'll drag the number and we'll change it into 0 because we have 0 points at the end. At the start. Next we'll drag set background and we'll change it into a rainbow. Next we'll drag set actor 2 and we'll put the actor 1 and we'll change it into a bird. And then we'll drag another one which is the same one. This time we'll change the actor into 3 and we'll change it into a wizard. So next we'll drag move actor 2 over down. And then we'll change it into 3. We'll leave it as 200 and we'll change the other one into 20. And then we'll drag set actor size and we'll put 3 and 0.5. And then we'll drag another one which is the same one and we'll put 0.5. We won't change the number over there. Next we'll drag when actor touches and we'll change it into 1. We'll leave it like that and we'll change it into red fireball. So after that we'll drag set point to and then we'll go to math and drag the calculation one, which is the second option. We'll put the first one back and we'll drag point and we'll change even the sign and the number. We'll put it as 1 and then we will drag show title screen. So the first one will put score and the second one will drag it back and drag points instead of that. So now we'll do the same process, but instead of red fireball and minus symbol, we'll put pi and plus symbol. So let's open math and drag the second option. We'll put the first option back and we'll drag point, then plus on itself, then 1, and then drag show title screen, and then we'll type score. Then we'll drag the last one back and drag points. Now we will drag when up arrow. And then we'll drag move actor. So actor 1 up 20 pixels. And then we'll drag 3 more up arrow. And then we'll drag move actor 3 more. And then we'll change it into down, left, right, and 20 pixels. Now we'll drag repeat forever. And we'll drag actor throw. Let's change it into 3. Red fireball. Down. And then we'll drag wait for, and we'll put 0.5 seconds. And then we should drag one more actor throw. Three. Let's change the actor to 3. Red fireball. And we'll leave it as up. Then we'll drag again, wait for seconds, 0.5. Then again we'll drag actor throw 3. This time we'll put pi. And we'll put down. And then we'll drag wait for 0.5 seconds. And then we'll drag actor throw. And we'll change it into 3 and pi. Not down, we'll put it up. And then we'll drag move actor. We'll change it into 3 from 1. We'll pull back the pixels. Pull the third option from math. Then we'll change it into -200. And the other one 200. We'll drag one more like that. We'll change the character as well. and this time we'll put left. Again we'll drag random integer and change it into minus 200 to 200. So guys, guess what? We are done with our game. So let's click on run. We got the same game. So now let's rename this game as the Hungry Bird and the Pie. And now we can even share the link. If we click on the link and Control C, we can copy the link, and if you guys press Control V, you guys will paste the link so that you guys can play the game in Google. So I'll leave this link in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and click on the notification bell so that you guys won't forget if I post a new video. Bye.